Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in the little Tuscan hill town of Trequanda today, and we were kind of really interested in coming up here because we always see the sign when we're turning off to go to Sinalunga, and it's really not that far out of Sinalunga. You go up a little ways, and there are some windy hills and stuff like that. But once you get here, it's surprisingly big. It has all kinds of services, and what I like about it is that the pavement is smooth. It's very easy to walk around if you're a little bit mobility impaired. It's a really lovely town, and they've got a one-star restaurant, which is right behind Pete, Il Conte Mato, which looks amazing. We're going to come back here for a lunch or a dinner sometime because, yeah, there's a lot going on. If you're looking for a hill town that has some life in it, and all the services are there and everything else, Trequanda might be for you.